Hello friends, how are you today? Today we're gonna do another refrigeration and HVAC mechanic red seal license exam reviewer. And our topic is on the airflow in a rectangular duct. Here's the problem. If you have a problem, we have a solution. So problem is a rectangular duct is 24 by 18 inch. If the velocity is 720 feet per minute and the free area factor is 85%, how much is the airflow volume? So we need to analyze our given. It is a rectangular duct. The dimension is 24 by 18 inch, 720 feet per minute of air velocity, and the 85% free area factor of the duct. And our unknown is the CFM of airflow, the Q, airflow rate, the volume airflow. So before I go to the solution, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Here's my channel, and please like and share. Really appreciate it. Takes you seconds, but it shows your support to my channel. Thank you. And here we go with the solution. Q airflow is equal to area times velocity times the free area factor. We simplify the formula into Q equals A times V times F, but we need to solve the area first. So the area in square inch is 24 by 18. It's 432 square inch. And we solve the area in square feet. We just divide the value that we got by 144, and we get 3 square feet. And then we substitute that value into the formula above, that one there. Q equals A times V times F. Now we know all the values. All we have to do is to substitute, and we solve for Q. We got 3 times 720 FPM and 85% free area factor. So we get the Q is 1836 CFM, cubic feet per minute. There you have it. I hope you like this video, and if you have any comments, please leave your comments. And before I say bye, please don't forget to subscribe and like to my channel. And cheers. Have a good one. Take care.